Mabuhay, we have just landed. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Iloilo. Time for convenience is 31 minutes past the hour of 9 in the morning, and the date today is 24 of September 2024 on a Tuesday. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. Remain seated until your row numbers have been called upon for deplaning.